Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to turn off Xbox Game Bar from Windows 11. So first of all, what you have to do is go on settings. Now go on system. Now here look for system components. As you can see, system components. Now click on it. Now look for Game Bar here and click on this more option right over here. Click on advanced options. Now under background component permissions, click on this drop down menu and select never. After that, click on terminate. Now go on gaming, click on game bar and off this switch. So that's how you can turn off Xbox Game Bar in Windows 11.